Today we're going to read a News to You article. The title of the article is 2020 Graduation Ceremonies. The school year is ending. Seniors are graduating from schools. They may graduate from high schools or colleges. Graduation ceremonies are usually in May or June. Graduation ceremonies will be different in 2020. People cannot gather because of the coronavirus. They cannot gather for graduation ceremonies, but seniors have worked very hard. Schools still want to celebrate the seniors. Some schools are having ceremonies online. Seniors can wear cap and gowns. They can join special video calls. School leaders say the names of the seniors. Some seniors give speeches. Some schools will have ceremonies in the future. The schools hope to have ceremonies during the summer. They hope they can gather then. Schools hope the seniors can be together for ceremonies. They want the seniors to celebrate together. Most ceremonies have special speakers. The speakers give speeches to the seniors. The speakers may be a city leader, an author, an athlete, and more. Many speakers give speeches about the future. Famous people recorded speeches for seniors this year. The famous people include singer John Legend, soccer player Abby Wambach, and journalist Katie Couric. The speeches are on a podcast. Seniors can listen to the speeches on the podcast. Graduating is exciting. Many cities are helping seniors graduate. Some cities are having car parades. Seniors drive cars through their cities. People can stand in their yards and cheer. Many seniors are graduating in 2020. Seniors have different plans after graduating. They may go to a new school. They may start new jobs. Congratulations, seniors. Seniors are graduating from schools. Seniors are students. Seniors may be in high school or college. Most seniors are in a school for 4 years. Seniors leave a school after they graduate. Schools are celebrating seniors who are graduating. Cities around the world have schools. Teachers teach students in schools. Students in a school may be kids, teenagers, or adults. That's it for this week's News to You. After you're done listening, if you need to go back and listen again, you can, and I have a quiz that you can take to see how well you comprehended what we just read together.